Hey guys, I'm Girls with Heart Ambassador Nevaeh, and I'm going to be showing you a super fun dance that I made up. In this video, we're going to be breaking it down into 3 videos, so be sure to check back each week for more. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the first part of the dance. Check it out. So you guys, the first step is a move like this. So basically, your right leg, is going to go toe, turn. And this leg is just going to shift this way with it. Toe, turn. And then your arms are going open, close. And they're just switching. Like this one was on the bottom, that's going on the top. This one's going to go on the bottom. So basically, the arm on the bottom, your right arm, is going to go around and over, and then your left arm is going to go around and under. And then all together, it's going to do that, and you're going to end all close over here. So you're going to go 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. So you guys, we ended off here. Once you go from here, your right leg again is going to go on the toe. It's going to go spin here. And then all the left leg is going to do is it's going to stay and then stand up like this, like you're stepping on something. And your right leg is going to go toe down so you can catch your balance. And all your hands are going to be doing is staying here until you get here. Once you get here, like this, then at the same time, your left and your arm is going to go down, down. And it goes at the same time, like you're shoveling something with your elbow. So it goes 1, 2. So from the beginning, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And after 6, on 7 and 8, you're going to go groove it out, groove it out. And when you groove it out, it can be anything you want, just in 2 counts. So from here, 7, 8. And on 8, you're going to just get your right arm, like you're sliding across. And this leg is just going to step out with it, and this leg is going to just follow your arm. So these two are basically doing the same thing, and it's going to step out. Here. And it's going to be the same thing, except we're going this way. It's going to step out. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, move it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. We ended off on 1, 2, 3, 4. And on 4, your left leg is going to kick. It's called a kick ball change. So you're going to kick, step out. So basically, all you're doing is kicking, step down, your right leg is going to go out. And as soon as your left leg hits the floor, your right leg has to pop out and hit the ground. So it goes 1, 2. So then all together goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on 7, 8, it's just a simple turn. It's put your right leg in front of this one, spin, 8. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do the 8 count all together while I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the first 2 8 counts. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are excited to see the rest of the dance. Please be sure to subscribe to the Justice YouTube channel to see the next steps.